Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Khachekar, volunteer of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. This video consists of AFSJ MCQ times part 17, topic Forensic Ballistic part 1. Question number first. The father of forensic ballistic is option A. Kelvin Goddard, option B. Alex Jeffrey, option C. Alexander Zone, option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Kelvin Goddard. Kelvin Hooker Goddard is known as the father of forensic ballistic. He was a forensic scientist, army officer, academic researcher, and a pioneer in forensic ballistics. Question number 2. The first case of forensic firearm examination to be documented was in option A 1840, option B 1835, option C 1940, and option D 1935. The correct answer is option B 1835. That was when Henry Goddard applied ballistic fingerprinting tooling a bullet recovered from the victim to the actual culprit. One careful inspection, he found that the bullet had a defect on its surface which did not seem to be from the barrel on the result of an impact. Question number 3. The full form of GSR is option A. Gunshot residue, option B. General statutory rules, option C. General service rates, and option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. Gunshot residue, often abbreviated as GSR, is the material that is deposited on the hands or a clothing of someone who has. Question number 4. The first respectable version of a firearm was a gun. Option A. Flintlock gun, option B. Muzzle loading gun, option C. Wheel lock gun, and option D. Matchlock gun. The correct answer is option D. Matchlock gun. The matchlock gun was the first mechanism invented to facilitate the firing of hand-held firearms. Question number 5. The another name of zip gun is the option number A. Katta, option number B. Pistol, option C. INSS rifle, option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Katta. Katta is an indigenous form of handgun made in India, which is similar to tamancha. Question number 6. The following rifle is the service rifle of the Indian Armed Force. Option A. INSS 5.56 service rifle, option B. Self-loading rifle, option C. .303 rifle, option D. Kalashnikov AK-47. Correct answer is option B. Self-loading rifle. Self-loading rifle or auto-loading rifle is a rifle with an action using a portion of the energy of each cartridge fired to load another cartridge. Question number 7. The full form of INSS rifle is option A. Indian Small Arms System, option B. Infantry Small Arms System, option C. Indian Smooth Arms System, and option D. Infantry Smooth Arms System. Correct answer is option B. Infantry Small Arms System. In 1986, the U.S. Army Infantry School at Fort Benning published the Small Arms System 2000 SAS 2000. Question number 8. Which gun are specifically made firearms to kill animals? Option A. Stud gun, option B. Air gun, option C. Machine gun, and option D. Cattle gun. The correct answer is option D. Cattle gun. The captive bolt pistol or gun, also variously known as a cattle gun, stun bolt gun, or stunner, is a device used for stunning animal pure to slaughter. Question number 9. Black powder is also known as option A. Gunpowder, option B. Charcoal powder, option C. Smokeless powder, and option D. Semi-smokeless powder. The correct answer is option A. Gunpowder. Gunpowder, also known as Ratrinum black powder, to distinguish it from modern smokeless powder, is the earliest non-chemical explosive. Question number 10. Semi-smokeless powder is a mixture of option A. Bulk powder and nitrocellulose, option B. Black powder and nitroglycerin, option C. Gunpowder and carbon, option D. Black powder and nitrocellulose. The correct answer is option D. Black powder and nitrocellulose. Semi-smokeless powder was a mechanical mixture of mostly black powder and a fairly small proportion of nitrocellulose.